Hi, we are now in week 3, and we're reading chapter 3, entitled Suffixes. Our learning objectives for this week are to identify and define useful diagnostic and procedural suffixes, analyze, spell, and pronounce medical terms that contain diagnostic and procedural suffixes, apply medical terms in real-life situations via the use of case scenarios and case studies, and we'll take a deeper look at diagnostic suffixes and how they're used as adjectives. Many of us learned the meaning of suffix back in grade school. So to sum that up, we learned that a suffix is the ending of a primary word. It also helps to identify the meaning of that word root. Suffixes are divided into two groups, which are diagnostic and procedural. An example is tonsillitis. Tonsil is your word root. Itis is your suffix. Itis means inflammation. So the word tonsillitis means inflammation of the tonsil. Sides 6 through 9 will provide examples of various diagnostic suffixes and their meanings. As I mentioned earlier, the adjective suffix, all this means that the ending means the same, but the spelling of the suffix is different. So each of the examples listed above on this slide, AL or EAL, AR, ARY, and IC, all mean pertaining to, but contingent on the word and the spelling of the word that will determine which suffix will apply to the word root. Sides 10 through 12 reviews procedural suffixes and their meaning. Please note that these slides are not comprehensive of all of the examples provided in your textbook. Therefore, be sure to review and become familiar with all examples provided in the text. We will highlight both categories of the suffixes during our in-class activities and discussions to make sure everyone understands and comprehends how to use each. Remember, if you have any specific questions, email them to your professor. You have now successfully completed this mini lecture